Hi, are you thinking about developing your knowledge and skills to improve your financial situation and career? Maybe you're working 40 hours, 50 hours, 60 hours, or more at a job you don't like. Or you want to find more customers and get more sales for your business. Maybe you're a student or you're worried if your certificates or diplomas are adequate and ask yourself, will I be able to realize my dreams and reach my goals in my current situation? When you schedule an intake meeting today, you're going to talk to education professionals with knowledge about what our students have passed through and what you're going to experience. A person who can help you to make the right choice in your career. Our programs are for business professionals who are diligent and serious, for persons who really want to develop their knowledge and skills to open their financial confidence. And it takes action, it takes devotion, it takes attention. One of the things we learned from the past is that when we accept just anyone into our programs, we're getting the wrong fit into our student groups. So schedule a meeting with us today and find out how we can help you become the best version of yourself.